In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money by just watching videos or doing simple tasks. Now keep in mind that one thing I do on this channel is that I do not waste your time. I just go straight to the point, right? So I'm going to show you guys how you can make money by just watching a simple video or just doing simple tasks. So the first thing you want to do is go to sproutgigs.com. This is the site name, which was previously picoworkers.com. So once you get here, the next thing you want to do is click on this button that says sign up, right? So once you click on sign up, it's definitely going to give you this page, which is basically going to be simple. As you guys can see, it's going to tell you to put your real name, your email address, blah blah blah, password and all that, right? Now I'm not going to waste your time and start filling all this because, you know, it's pointless. Like I said, I don't show you that in the video. So I'm just going to log in because I have done that before, right? There's no time to waste here. So I'm just going to log in here and I'm going to show you guys what you need to do in order to start making little money that you could use to pretty much do, you know, whatever you want, right? So what we're going to do is wait for this page to load. And as you guys can see, it's finally loaded up. So once you're in this page, this is probably the home page that you're going to get, right? So once you're here, you can see that people are posting a lot of jobs. As you guys can see, this person says, I will make YouTube videos based on your script. You know, this is someone that posted this, right? So you probably do not have any business here. Where you have business is called micro jobs, as you guys can see here. So click on micro jobs and click on find jobs. So once you click on find jobs, you know, as usual, wait for it to load up. Now once it loads up, as you guys can see, there's a lot of jobs here. Like there are a lot of jobs. So what you want is the YouTube own, right? So click on category and then scroll down and click on video marketing and then click on apply. Now wait for it to load up and, you know, it's going to give you this, right? So we're just going to click on job level and click on starter because, you know, we're new. That's why the advanced and expert is locked. So click on starter, click on apply. Now we're here and you might be confused, right? So let me explain. As you guys can see, this says YouTube, subscribe to channel. So this is what someone posted and they want you to subscribe to the channel and you're going to get paid this amount. It's really easy. Just click subscribe button on someone's channel and you get paid this, right? Same thing here. YouTube, search plus watch 1 minute of video. You're going to watch 1 minute of someone's video and you're going to get paid this amount. It's really that easy. So we're just going to click on that one, on that particular job, and you know, it's definitely going to give you this page where you have to fill in just a little bit of information because it's a new account, obviously. You know, I'm not going to do that because it's going to waste your time, but yeah, I'm going to show you guys another way you can make money by doing this, right? As you guys can see, it's going to pay you this amount if you watch a video and you search the video and watch it, right? And as you guys can see here, subscribe to the channel and it's going to pay you this amount. Now as you guys can see, there are no much offers like this, right? So I will not suggest that you just focus on YouTube video, search and watch 1 minute and get this. I'm going to show you guys how you can, you know, do other things and not just this one. So just come over to where we selected video marketing before, clear, and then wait for it to clear up and then click on category and you could click on, let's say TikTok, for example, right? Let's just choose TikTok. Click on TikTok. As you guys can see, this is another TikTok post. It says TikTok, post video using my sound. You get paid this. It's really easy, guy. I believe you understand the point of this whole video right now. Once you do a little job, you know, just go on your TikTok account, post a video using someone's sound and you get paid this. It's really easy. Let's take one more example. Let's clear and then let's go. What am I gonna do? Okay, let's say, for example, Twitter, right? Let's just click on Twitter, click on apply. And as you guys can see, follow, like, retweet, and comment on someone's post and you get paid this. So you guys pretty much understand how this site works right now, right? So like I said, I did not want to waste your time by, you know, doing all unnecessary steps. I just wanted to show you the exact step on what you guys could do to make money. So it's really easy. Once you have your money, you could easily just get paid. You get paid every single week on this site, so it's really that easy. Do a little job, which is called a micro job, and you get paid. So I really hope this video helped you guys. I find little ways for you to make little money on this site. You know, you're not gonna get rich overnight. So yeah, if this was really helpful and you want to see more, subscribe, like the video, and I will catch you guys on another one.